Okay, let's check if I am live now. Let's see. Okay, I cannot see my live. I cannot see myself live as usual. It like takes some time, and now I'm live. That's great. We are live now. So yes, it is saying that, okay, first of all, where are my students? Okay, then simply let's start the class. And as you guys know that this is Unacademy, ICSE and ISC boards channel, and we are going to ace in your term 2 examinations with Unacademy Plus. Okay, you guys know this already. Okay, let me change the color. Cool. And I would just say that welcome to the class. And like you guys know that I am Kirti Sharma, and I'm your chemistry educator. I have been teaching for like 5 or 6 years, and I have done my graduation from University of Delhi in psychology. So here you go, that's me. And I hope you're having like it's fun for you guys. And okay, so let's begin. As you guys know already, what will we study today? We will be doing some important questions of surface chemistry. Okay, this is let's take this one. Let's try. So we will be doing surface chemistry. Okay, even this is very large for us. Okay, so we will be doing surface chemistry. What are we gonna do? We will be doing surface chemistry. Okay, and as you guys know that today is our problem solving session, that is PSS, in which we will discuss some important questions. Okay guys, and if you guys are planning to take the plus subscription, then don't forget to use my code, that is Kirti S Live. Here you can see that this is my code, Kirti S Live. Okay, this is my code, and simply apply it and you will get 10% off. For today I have something special for you, but before that, the link for the Telegram group is given to you in the description box, so you can just simply follow it and you will get all the notifications and updates of the class. Cool. Next, as you guys know that this is Unacademy, so subscribe now. We have a small target for now, that is of 1,000 subscribers. Only on 1K subscribers we are targeting in the beginning. So I believe that this will be, this will be done very soon. Okay, and okay, so here is something new that I have for you, and it is a new offer for you. So it says that if you get subscription, if you get plus subscription for class, if you get subscription for class 9, 10, 11 or 12 for at least 12 months or more, either 12 months or more, so you will get an additional 3 months K-12 subscription, and that is amazing, right? And this offer is valid only till 31st of January, and this offer will be like given to you only if you use my code, that is Kirti S Live. Again, the code is Kirti S Live. Okay. So don't forget to use this code when you get the plus subscription. Okay. Now another thing is that you like the batches are going to be launched on like 17th of January. Today is 15th of January. So day after tomorrow. Okay. This batch will be launched and the name of the batch is Mavericks. Then the very first thing is that Mavericks is a bird and kind of an independent person as well. So like really it's a very cool name. I just loved the name of the batch, that is Mavericks. Okay. And as you guys know that this is an all subject batch in which like I'll be teaching you chemistry, Saurav sir will be teaching you biology, and Sanam sir will be teaching you mathematics. Okay. The mode of delivery is going to be in English, and again there is something like different and beneficial for you. That is, if you subscribe for class 11, you will get class 12 subscription for free. Okay, that's what happening here. Okay, so you will get class 12 subscription for free. So it seems amazing, right? Moreover, here you can see, if you look at class 11 subscription, same teachers, the delivery is going to be in English. Again, the date of launching the batch is 17th of January. So don't delay it. Okay, now I would just like to let you know that here if you get subscription, it is going to be very beneficial and economical for you. How? I have three things for you. Okay, the very first thing is, if you get the subscription, I'm just writing down like how you can avail like the most benefit out of the like what is present, like what best you can do before 31st of January. That is, subscribe for class 11. Okay, so that you will get class 12 subscription free, right? You will get class 12 ISC subscription for free. Subscription free you will get. So this is the very first benefit. Okay. Number 2, and these all benefits are only available till 31st of January. Okay. Second thing is, subscribe for minimum for 12 months. इससे क्या होगा? What will happen because of this? You will get extra 3 months. You will get plus 3 months extra. Okay, this is extra. So in short, how many months you got? You got 15 months. If you took subscription for at least 12 months. Okay. Number 3, don't forget to use the code. What is my code? What is my YT code? It is KSIS10. My code for here is not this. Sorry. My YT code is Kirti S Live. My YT code is Kirti, 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 not Kriti, Kirti S Live. So use this code and you will get an additional 10% off. इससे क्या होगा? From this code you will get 10% discount. You will get 10% discount. So this seems amazing, right? This is amazing for you guys. So that's why I'm telling you, don't delay it and get your subscription now. Alright, so hurry up and get your subscription. I'm waiting so that I'll see you in the plus classes, in the special classes and everywhere. Okay, and we will together boost your performance, your grades and everything. Okay, so let's get started with the questions that I have for you. Okay, all right. So here the question says a plot of, yeah. So the question says, let me change the color. Yes, a plot of log x by m versus log p for adsorption of gas on a solid gives a straight line with a slope equal to. We need to tell like what is the value of the slope. So what do you know? That like in general, what can you say according to Freundlich isotherm? Freundlich adsorption isotherm. So you can say that in general, right? The one which is always valid. You can say that that your extent of adsorption, we know that this extent of adsorption is directly proportional to some pressure p raised to power 1 by n, right? So when you remove the proportionality sign, I'm telling you all the like derivation, you can say. So when you remove this proportionality sign, you can say that this x by m is equal to kp raised to power 1 by n. Alright, that's what you can say. Now if we take log on both the sides, as we have been told, a plot of log x by m against log x by m versus log p. Okay, so that's why if we take log on both the sides, so you will get log x by m is equal to log k p raised to power 1 by n. Now you can apply a property of log which says like if it is written in this manner, if it is written like this, log ab, okay, a is k here, b is p raised to power 1 by n here. So log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. That's how it can be written as. Okay. Yeah, everything is okay. Chetna Kumari. Hi Chetna, how are you, beta? Okay, so applying the same law here, you can say that log x by m. Hi bache, how are you, Chetna? So you can say that log x by m is equal to log k plus log p 1 by n. That's what you can say. Now we know there is another property of log, that is log a raised to power b can be written as b log a. It can be written as b log a. Okay, probably you cannot see it here. Right. Great, bacha. So this can be written as b log a. Okay. So this can be written as, you can say that log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. That's what you can say. So from here, if you compare it from the straight line equation, you will get that y is equal to mx plus c से अगर आप compare करते हो. Very good, Chetna. Y is equal to mx plus c, where your m is slope, right? M represents the slope, and what is c? C is the y-intercept. C is the y-intercept. So here, if we compare, you will get slope m as 1 by n, right? And y-intercept c as log k, right? So what we need to answer here, Chetna? We need to tell that a plot of log x by m versus log p for adsorption of gas on a solid gives a straight line with the slope equal to. So we have found out that slope is equal to 1 by n here. Is there any doubt in this question, Chetna? Let me know, beta. Is there any doubt in this question? Exactly. The answer is B. Very good. You are absolutely right. I guess now it's okay. There is some like screen may I'm seeing, like you can see some problem. Right. Now it's sorted. Now it's okay. Yeah. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, here is the explanation, the same thing, that log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. I told you the whole derivation. Next question is according to, now the next question is according to Freundlich adsorption isotherm, which of the following is correct? Tell me, Chetna. Option number A, B, C or D. Which one is correct? According to Freundlich adsorption isotherm. X by M. X by M is your extent of adsorption. Let me open my Wacom. Yeah. It is your... Tell me, Chetna, what will be the right answer? X by M here is your extent of adsorption. Okay, so we know that according to Freundlich adsorption isotherm, X by M, that is extent of adsorption, is it linearly depends on pressure when the pressure is low. So this happens at low pressure. Alright. Now, X by M means extent of adsorption is directly proportional to P raised to power 1 by N, where N can be your any whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, anything. Okay. N ki baat kar rahe hain. I'm talking about N here. Alright. So, this is like at medium pressure, you can say. At medium pressure. And your extent of adsorption is like P raised to power 0. But anything raised to power 0 is simply 1, right? So your extent of adsorption becomes independent of pressure when your pressure is very high. At very high pressure. This happens at very high pressure. So you can say that all of them are correct, right? All of them are correct. But they are like correct only at like different ranges of temperature, at different range of pressure, not temperature, sorry, my bad, it was pressure, correct? So you can say here that all are correct of different range of pressure. For different range of pressure, all are correct. Is that clear? So here you can see your explanation that no, all are correct. Okay, what was here? Okay, D is like all are correct. And here you can see A is correct at low pressure, B is correct at moderate pressure, and C is correct at high pressure. Exactly, which is called as saturation pressure, because like after a certain pressure, adsorption के ऊपर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Okay? Next question, which says, it is your next question, that is, which is favorable for physical adsorption? So tell me. Option number D. Exactly. That's right, Chetna. You answered correctly, bache. Which is favorable for physical adsorption? We have already discussed that adsorption depends on like two factors, correct? One is temperature. The other one is pressure. Correct? So tell me, which is favorable for physical adsorption? High temperature and high pressure, high temperature and low pressure, low temperature and high pressure, या फिर टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर का कोई इफेक्ट ही नहीं होता एब्जॉर्प्शन पे? टेल मी बच्चे, विच वन इज द राइट आंसर? ओके, लुकिंग वेरी स्टूडियस. B, you are saying high temperature and low pressure. I have always told you, like, जैसे जैसे आप प्रेशर इंक्रीज करते हो, सी द एक्सटेंट ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन मीन्स हाउ मच एड्जॉर्प्शन विल हैपन, दैट इज योर x by m, right? Where x is the amount. अरे you don't need to delete the message, it's okay, you don't need to like delete it, everything's fine, everything's cool, right? Just like something which I want is you should know why your answer is correct or why your answer is incorrect, okay? Where your x is the amount of adsorbate and the m is the like the mass of the adsorbent on which the adsorption is happening, okay? So that is your extent of adsorption. It directly depends on temperature, right? So like when you increase pressure, the extent of adsorption increases, right? But after a certain pressure, there is no like और ज़्यादा adsorption फिर नहीं होती. All right? So definitely अपने को high pressure तो चाहिए, right? We know already that temperature and pressure has some effect on adsorption. So option number D is incorrect, okay? We know that we need high pressure, okay, for adsorption. So that is why the one which has low pressure, it is also incorrect. Now the answer can be either A or B. Now the like question is, for adsorption, do we need high temperature or do we need low temperature? So beta, as you can see here, at low temperature adsorption happens more, although like it is seen that physical adsorption may change into chemical adsorption when you increase the temperature. So here you will say that option number C is correct. No beta, Chetna, for physical adsorption low temperature favorable hota hai. All right? When you increase the temperature, I have told you in the previous sessions that at high temperature, it is sometimes seen that your physical adsorption may change into chemical adsorption. Okay, लिख भी लेते हैं इस बात को, that at higher temperatures, what can happen? Your physical adsorption, right, you're right, Chetna. Do you get the reason, bache, why option number C is correct? Your physical adsorption may turn into chemical adsorption, okay? All right? Nana, you don't need to be sorry. Just tell me if you understood. That's the only thing that I want. That you understand what I'm trying to teach you. Chetna, do you have ISC boards or do you belong from any other board like CBSE or any other state board? Tell me. From which board like you are and where do you live? Tell me, I'm waiting, Chetna. Alright, we can continue till then. Let's move to the next question. Okay, here is the explanation, which says that low temperature and high pressure favors physical adsorption because van der Waals forces of attraction will increase. Okay, let's move ahead. The term sorption stands for, batao, what do you mean by sorption? We have already done this. We have already done this in our lectures. What does sorption stands for? We have done adsorption. We have done adsorption. We have done absorption. Oh, that's great. So is it your very first class, Chetna? We have done Soption as well. Is this your first class, Chetna, or have you been here before? So bache, the word Soption stands for when adsorption and absorption, they happen simultaneously. Now what do we mean by simultaneously? That absorption bhi ho raha hai. It means if this is your adsorbent, then the particles are accumulated, the particles are concentrated on the surface, as well as the particles are uniformly distributed in the throughout the bulk of the solid or liquid as well. In that case, you call it as absorption. So when adsorption and absorption both are happening all together, in that case you call it as sorption. So the term sorption stands for, tell me what is the right answer now. Chetna, I've made you understand the concept, so tell me what will be the right answer, beta. Fast. So you will say that the term sorption stands for both absorption and adsorption. Exactly, you're right, Chetna. I will wait for you in the special class as well. Okay, special class is free for everyone. So at least download the Unacademy app and choose the category of ISC. I guess you're in class 11. So choose that category, ISC class 11 or class 12, whichever your grade is. And then when it comes to unlock the free live class, you need to unlock it. So you can do it with my code. My name is Kirti, Kirti. So Kirti, and my surname is Sharma, so its initial is S. Kirti S live, this is the code. Okay, so you can use it for unlocking the free live class. Okay, and if I believe if you plan to take the plus subscription, because again outbreak of COVID, so it's better to study at home with top educators of India. So if you want to get the plus subscription, it is the best time, because if you get the 11 subscription, class 11 subscription, you will get class 12 subscription for free. Okay, and if you get it for 12 months, you will get extra 3 months free. Two offers are going on these days simultaneously, which is only valid till 31st of January. Okay, and additionally, if you apply the same code, that is Kirti S live, you will get extra 10% discount as well. Okay, so these offers are only valid all together till 31st of January. Okay, so it is an amazing deal these days, and it is only valid for first 500 subscribers. Okay, and make sure you are in them. So yeah, Soption stands for both, when your adsorption and absorption are happening together. Yes, Chetna, I'll wait for you in the special class, 5:15 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. Okay, yeah. So here you can see the explanation. When both adsorption and absorption takes place, it is called as sorption. Example, dyeing of cotton fiber. When you like dye cotton fiber, when like fiber is like colored, right, it is dyed. In that case, absorption and adsorption both happen simultaneously, both happen all together, so it can be called as sorption. Okay, let's look at next question. That is, oh wow, that's nice, 16 January, that's very nice. Okay, come in the like tomorrow's session, and we will wish you tomorrow. Okay, don't forget, the class 11 timing on YouTube is 2:30 p.m. For class 12 it is 8 p.m. So we'll wish you tomorrow. Okay, and if by any chance you are in your party or you are busy, so I'm wishing you from the depth of my heart, wish you a very happy birthday. Okay, I hope you get everything you wish for. Okay, all right, let's move ahead. Now, physical adsorption, let's move ahead. All right, yeah, I get it. You told me, Bachi, this is your first class. That's really nice, and I'm hoping it is your first class, but you will be here till the end, right? Okay, let's move ahead now. So, physical adsorption of a gaseous species may change into chemical adsorption with. I already told you in this session as well, what is the answer to this question. I've already told you. So, tell me what will be the answer, Chetna? Physical adsorption of a gaseous species may change into chemical adsorption with decrease in temperature, increase in temperature, increase in surface area, or decrease in surface area of the adsorbent. Fast. Tell me, what will be the answer? Fast, guys. Quick. So we have already done that for physical adsorption. The favorable conditions are low temperature and high pressure, and whenever like we increase the temperature, then physical adsorption moves towards, like, it may change into chemical adsorption. Okay, so physical adsorption of a gaseous species may change to chemical adsorption with increase in temperature, right? We have already done this in today's class as well. We discussed. Okay, beta, is there any doubt? Let me know. If there is any doubt, then simply let me know, and we will discuss it then. All right, let's move ahead. On the basis of data given below, predict which of the following gases shows least adsorption on a सक्सेस का फन वे. क्या बात है, कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं यहाँ. दैट्स नाइस. Okay, let's move ahead. So on the basis of the data given below, predict which of the following gases shows least adsorption on a definite amount of charcoal. So here we have given the gas, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane and hydrogen gas, correct? Now we have given the critical temperatures as well. Okay? So now you need to answer which of the following. This question, no worries, we will discuss. कोई नहीं आता तो. Alright, so which of the following will have least adsorption? तो बेटा का क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर सबसे ज़्यादा होता है? हियर यू कैन सी हायर द क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर, दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट रीजन विच इज रिटन हियर ऑलरेडी फॉर यू. जितना ज़्यादा किसी गैस का क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर होता है, जिसके बाद मीन्स इट कैन नॉट बी लिक्विफिएबल. ओके, so higher the critical temperature, more will be the van der Waals forces of attraction and more will be the extent of adsorption. Okay, so here option number B is correct. Okay, let's move on to the next question, which says, in which of the following reactions heterogeneous catalysis is involved? So what is heterogeneous catalysis? When your catalysts and reactants, Nana, you don't need to be sorry, success ka fun way. I loved the name, really. You don't need to be sorry. Everything is chill. So your heterogeneous catalysis is when your catalysts and your reactants, they are in different phases. They are present in different phases. Say if your reactants are present in gaseous state, then your catalyst is present in solid state. In that case, you call it as heterogeneous catalysis. So let me know, in which of the following, these are the options, heterogeneous catalysis is involved. Tell me. Fast guys, tell me. Nahi bache, I have been here before on Unacademy. In the previous category, I used to teach English, but now I'm teaching chemistry here. Okay, I'm not very new. I have been here before, a lot of students already know, but it was in UP boards. But now I've been shifted to ISC boards because that category was closed for some reason. Okay. So yeah, tell me guys, what will be the answer? If we look at option number 1, see, your oxidation of sulfur dioxide, right? So you see that your reactants gaseous form mein hai, dono, both are in gaseous form, as well as your catalyst is also in gaseous form, right? So this is a homogeneous catalysis. This is homogeneous catalysis. If we look at second, so you will see that your reactants are present in gaseous state and the catalyst is present in solid state, right? Different phases. So that is why we can say it is heterogeneous catalysis. Let's move on to option number third option. Okay, N2 plus 3H2 gives you 2NH3. So your reactants are present in gaseous form and the catalyst is present in solid state. So you can see that it is again heterogeneous catalysis. When it comes to next, you will see that everything is present in the liquid state. Methyl acetate, water in presence of HCl, right? So this is your homogeneous catalysis because everything is present in the same phase. Everything is present in liquid state. That's why we can say it is your homogeneous catalysis. So if we look at the options, option number second and option number third, they involve heterogeneous catalysis. So where is second, third? If you look at option number A, it is your second and third. Okay. Ma'am, can I share? That's what we want. You have to share with your friends as well. That's the rule. Exactly. Option number A is correct. You are absolutely right. Chetna. ठीक है. Alright, bacha. Okay, let's move ahead. So you can see here your explanation that in second and third option use solid catalysts in gaseous reaction. So that is why it comes out to be your heterogeneous catalysis. Cool. Is there any doubt till now? Let me know. And if you don't have any doubt, even then let me know. So we will move ahead, okay? And if you have any doubt, we'll get your doubt sorted. Cool, guys. Let's move ahead. What we have now? It says, in Freundlich adsorption isotherm, X by M means your extent of adsorption is equal to Kp raised to power 1 by N. So what is the value of N at low pressure? So we know that at low pressure, we know that this extent of adsorption is directly proportional to pressure, right? It linearly depends on pressure. If you remove the proportionality sign, you can say that X by N is equal to Kp. Correct? So, like in generally, you say that the power is 1 by N. If I say that this power is 1 by N, then what should be the value of N such that the 1 by N comes out to be equal to 1? So, N की value कितनी आनी चाहिए? It should be equal to 1. Okay, if it makes you happy, we can do that, Chetna. Okay. I would say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chetna. Okay. TA this is. Happy birthday, Chetna. Cool. Happy? Take care. Alright. So the value of N should be equal to 1 such that your Kp raised to power 1 by N is equal to just Kp, right? So we can say that at low pressure, that N key value has to be equal to 1. In case of low pressure, what happens? Your extent of adsorption is directly proportional to pressure, right? It linearly depends on pressure. I hope you are done till now. There is no doubt. If you have a doubt, then let me know in the live chat. We'll get it sorted. Okay. You guys are very cute. It is हमारा success का fun way. That's nice. Success का fun way. ठीक है? Happy guys? How do we do that? Like this. Okay. Happy? Success का fun way. And it is Yash. Okay, Yash. Let's have some fun. It is our Yash. Cool. Alright. I believe everything is clear now. No doubt till now. And let's get started. Okay. ठीक है, Yash and Chetna. I believe you guys are so cute. Bachas are so cute, yaar. Alright, let's get started now. Let's move ahead. An emulsifier is a substance which, now what does an emulsifier do? It simply stabilizes the emulsion, right? So option number A, very simple, theoretical question this is. that an emulsion just, it stabilizes the emulsion. Okay. So option number A here is absolutely correct. Alright. Let's move ahead. That's great, Chetna. Yeah. So friend, like adsorption isotherm is given by the expression x by m is equal to kp raised to power 1 by n. This we already know, right? Which of the following conclusions can be drawn from this expression? Option number A, when 1 by n is equal to 0, okay, the adsorption is independent of pressure. Alright, so the first statement, let's look at this. X by m is equal to, let's write this way. Always for you, bacha, Yash, Chetna. It's just that propagated within your friends as well, okay? Because a lot of students don't even know that this new category has been launched, okay? So share it with your friends, come in this special class, okay? Feel the experience, like how it is different from YouTube. Special classes are free, and if you want to unlock the free live class or you want to get the plus subscription, then you can use my code, that is Kirti, Kirti. It's Kirti, not Kriti, okay? Kirti S Live. You can use this code to enter the class and to get 10% additional off as well, okay? Alright, so if we look at option number A, it says that x by n is equal to kp raised to power 1 by n. So it says like अगर आपके 1 by n की value 0 हो जाती है, let's put it equal to 0. Okay, so what will happen? Anything raised to power 0 is 1, correct? So from here you can say that simply this extent of adsorption x by m will come out to be equal to k. So you can say that yes, it has become now independent of pressure. It is now independent of pressure. Independent of pressure. Yes, you can say that. According to me, option number A is correct. Okay. Let's look at option number B. When 1 by n is equal to 0, the adsorption is directly proportional to pressure. नहीं, ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा. B तो false हो गया. When 1 by n पूरा ही 0 हो गया, तो x by m तो सिर्फ k constant k equal आएगा. Why? Because anything raised to power 0, we have done this in class 6th or 7th, right? Anything raised to power 0 is simply 1. Okay, so it becomes just k. So it is independent of pressure. That is why option number C is false. Cool. I am good, Chetna beta. I am pretty good. Option number C. When only n is equal to 0. See, we know that this x by m is equal to kp raised to power n, right? So when your n is 0, so it becomes x by m is equal to kp raised to power 1 by 0. Now 1 by 0 is infinity, right? X by m versus P graph versus pressure graph is a line parallel to x axis. No, not correct. And when n is equal to 0, plot of x by m versus P is a curve. So you can see here that in this case, right, exactly, it will be like when it is P raised to power infinity. So in that case, क्या बात है, that's nice, Yash. Yash and Kirti, okay, it's the same meaning, right? So yeah, when your n is equal to 0, so it will be kp raised to power infinity. So you will say that the graph between x by m means extent of adsorption and pressure is parallel to x-axis, right? Alright, so that's what we did in this question. Let's look at next question, which says H2 gas is adsorbed on activated charcoal to a very little extent in comparison to easily liquefiable gases due to, tell me. Ma'am, you say to all students to answer in chat. Yeah, of course. All students answer in the live chat so that I'll get to know. But then on like when you come to the special class now, there we have polls. Okay. What happens is like I give you a question, and when I give you like 4 options, those 4 options will literally appear on your screen like KBC, option number A, B, C, D. And when you tap on your device, I will get to know like how many percent of students have answered correctly. Okay, ma'am, I'm a gamer. That's nice. Yash, which game do you like to play? There are 4 students. Yeah, there are 4 students. I believe you share it with your friends and invite your friends as well so that there will be more students. Okay. So yeah, hydrogen gas is adsorbed on activated charcoal to a very little extent. Why does this happen? Are you giving the money to us? Because KBC. Bilkul. Huh, like there is a prodigy test which is like free, and if you win it, you will get some 10 CR products or some gifts or some prizes. I don't know exactly, but it is something related to 10 CR. That's just Unacademy has launched prodigy test. Okay, so download the app. There are some amazing things, some amazing offer which are going on, and you'll have fun. So tell me, H2 gas is adsorbed on activated charcoal to a very little extent. Why does this happen? Because of you can see here, it is due to weak van der Waals forces of attraction and very low critical temperature, because we know that near the critical temperature the van der Waals forces are strong. Okay, so multiple choice, we know that weak van der Waals forces hai in case of H2, and it has a low critical temperature. That's why this is happening. Okay, next question. Volume of 1 mole of gas at NTP is how much? Okay, Chetna, you're from Rajasthan. That's nice. I was planning to visit Udaipur, but now again COVID, so my plan is again kind of cancelled. So tell me, what is the volume of 1 mole of gas at NTP? Same beta Yash. It was lovely to see you. I hope to see you in all the sessions. Okay, for class 11 the timing is 2:30 p.m. for YT. Okay, for YouTube. Okay, and for class 12 the timing is 8 p.m. YouTube. Okay, and for special classes are free. I would love to meet all of you there. Special classes, like for class 11 the timing is 5:15 p.m. For class 12 the timing is 6:30 p.m. Okay, almost daily this is the schedule. And at 4 p.m. there is plus class, in which we cover 100% syllabus. Okay, so volume of 1 mole of any gas at NTP is 22.4 liters. I previously used to stay in Haryana. Okay, so yeah. Now I'm like in Delhi, but previously I used to stay in Haryana. Okay. Now, shape selective catalysis is a reaction catalyzed by fast. Everybody knows that it is zeolite. In simply memory based question, it is zeolite, right? Let's move on to the next question. The oxide of nitrogen, which acts as catalyst in lead chamber process, is, we have already done this, the oxidation of sulfur dioxide. We use nitrogen monoxide, NO. Cool guys. Let's move on to the next question. So what kind of catalysis can be explained on the basis of adsorption theory? We did heterogeneous catalysis, right? It depends, like, theory we discussed, right? That that your solid serve as the adsorbent, your catalyst which is solid in nature, it serve as an adsorbent. It provides surface area for the reaction. A colloidal system in which liquid phase is dispersed in the solid, sorry, give me a moment. A colloidal system in which liquid is dispersed phase and solid is dispersion medium is classified as. Option number A is the right answer, beta. It's gel. It is gel, okay? Oh, so sweet. Thank you, Yash. I hope you liked it. And I hope to see you in all the sessions. And you are a great student. Okay? Yeah. So which one of the following will not form a colloidal system? That is gas and gas. Very easy. Gas and gas. Okay? So that is it for the now. Yeah, so let me tell you about some of the features of Unacademy. You can learn live with, like, at your home comfortably with the top educators of India. You can have the access to all the courses. There is regular doubt solving and answer writing sessions, and we cover, as I told you, 100% syllabus on oh, so sweet. I love you too, beta. Okay, just share it with your friends as well. Come daily, we will study together, we'll have fun together. Come to the special classes, right? So it's gonna be amazing, I believe. So it feels so, like, I really appreciate you. Seriously, all of the students, you all are really lovely, huh? So these are the, like, features, your guidance and mentorship. You'll get live test, free test, practice test, all the PDF materials. You'll get everything. Yes, I have. Okay. So here you can see there are some subscription prices, as you can see. And as I have already told you, that if you take subscription for class 11, you will get class 12 subscription free. Okay, and if you take it for 12 months, you will get 3 months free. And if you use my code, that is Kirti S Live, you will get an additional 10% off. So it's the best time to get the subscription right now, because later on these offers will not be available. Okay. So you can see these are the batches, Param batches. Here you can see that if you take subscription for class 9, and you will get class 10, 11, 12 subscription for free. What is your student's name, ma'am? Here you are, na? Chetna, Yash. You are my students. Okay, so you will get that, and you can see the teachers here, all the batches. Champions batch has already been launched on 3rd of January. It's going on now, like, successfully with a lot of students, and it's fun. Okay, so you can see here the batches. You can watch my free live class. Simply download Unacademy app and select for ISC boards category. And there you will find me, Kirti Sharma. Okay. So that is it for the day, guys. Download Unacademy app now. That is it. You can be, like, you can find me on Telegram as well, and Unacademy Messenger. This is my username almost everywhere. That is Kirti_Sharma 1223. So you can get connected to me by this username, and you already know the code. Spread it with your friends as well. It is Kirti S Live. Okay. Yes, bacha. So that is it for the day, guys. See you in the next session. That is probably tomorrow, right? So see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye. See you in the next session. Bye-bye. Bye Yash. Bye Chetna. See you tomorrow. I believe that you guys will invite your friends as well. Okay? Let me meet them. Okay? So that we'll have fun together. That is it for the day, guys. Bye-bye.